Hello kids, let's learn some numbers and count the numbers. Let's find out where is number 1. No, this is no number 1. Yeah, this is 1. Number 1. 1 number. 1 ball. This is 1. Number 1. 1 number, 1 ball. Let's find out the next number. What is the next number? After 1 is number 2. Yeah, this is number 2. This is number 2. Yeah, this is number 2. Let's put it on the. This is number 2. 2 number, 2 chocolates. 1 chocolate, 2 chocolates. 2 number, 2 chocolates. Let's find out the next number. 2. After 2 there is 3 number. There is a 1, 2 and this is 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Number 3. 3 number, 3 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3. 3 cupcakes. 1 cakes, 2 cakes, 3 cakes. 3 number, 3 cups cake. Let's find out the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find out. No, this is. Oh, yeah, this is number 4. This is 4. Number 4. This is 4. Let's put it on the cardboard. This is number 4. 4 number. 4 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number. 4 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 4. Let's find out the next number is. Next number is number 5. Yeah, this is number 5. This pink. Number 5. Yeah, this is 5. Number 5. 5 numbers, 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. 5 numbers, 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's find out the next number is. Which is next number? After 5 there is 6 numbers. Yeah, this is brown 6. Number 6 is brown. No, this is number 6 in sky blue color. This is number 6. 6 number, 6 cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number, 6 cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number, 6 cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's find out the next number. What is the next number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's find out the 7th number. Yeah. Yes, this is 7. Number 7. This is in green color. Number 7. There are 7 butterflies. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 number, 7 butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number, 7 butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 7, let's find out the next number is 8. This is 8. Number 8. This is 8 number. This is 8 number. 8 number, 8 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers, 8 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after 8, what is the next number? Let's find out. There are only 2 left numbers. Oh yeah, this is 9 number. Yeah, this is brown 9. There are 9 numbers, 9 leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers, 9 leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers, 9 leaf. And 1 is left, that is number 10. So put it on the board. This is 10. 10 number, 10 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lollipop ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 number, 1 ball. 2 number, 2 chocolate. 1, 2. 3 number, 3 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3. 3 cupcakes. 4 number, 4 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. This is 6 number. There are 6 cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number, 6 cones. 7 number, 7 butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number, 7 butterfly. This is 8. After 7, this is 8. 8 numbers, 8 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers, 8 strawberries. 9. This is 9 number. 9 numbers, 9 leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers, 9 leaves. And last number is 10. Number 10. 10 numbers, 10 lollipop ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number, 10 lollipop ice cream. 1 number, 1 balloon. 1 number, 1 ball. 2 number, 2 chocolates. 3 number, 3 cupcakes. 4 number, 4 lollipops. 5 number, 5 balloons. 6 number, 6 cone. 7 number, 7 butterfly. 8 number, 8 strawberries. 9 number, 9 leaf. 10 number, 10 lollipop ice cream. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.